Ungiona bodaboda ici cigitwo haha waya gwiciria kuri na mucemanio wa ene nduthi ici indi ni kuyo iyitwo matura-ini ma Isiolo, Embu na Mwingi kuria Ekuirwo nio marikitio guikio ngono. Kuringana na Kamanda wa borithi mwena wa Laare Mbatian Kantai, augite uici wa bodaboda niwongererekete na njira nene ona gutuika tabania ciiko ici maraia kuraya na kwao.
We have recovered a number of stolen motorbikes in this region. Most of these motorbikes are stolen outside our area.
Kantai augite nduthi ici ikoretwo ikiiywo ni aria mandikitwo marutage wira nacio kana mundu ukomborithitio, akiuga ni mambikite uthuthuria makiria wa aria magikorwo makinyitanira na miito kwagagia ene bodaboda.
Motorbikes are stolen by young people. Some of them have bought those motorbikes on hire purchase, but when they encounter challenges of paying the loans, they just decide to steal from themselves. Some of them remove the motorbike tracking devices and then falsely report to police that they have been either robbed by violence or motorbikes got lost without their knowledge.
Nduthi ici ciarikia kwiywo ithiaga kwendio kaunti-ini ingi na ingi gutwarwo mabururi-ini turigainie.
This month around 23 motorbikes which are suspected they were heading towards neighboring counties and also neighboring countries.
Anaya matanyetwo gugakinywo igoti-ini muthi wa Jumatatu na thitango cia wuici.
I wish to urge members of public, especially the youth who are purchasing these motorbikes on hire purchase or through loans, to be faithful to their companies and to themselves, to stop defrauding companies and giving false information to the police. Otherwise, once we catch up with them, we shall charge them with giving false information, and also the company shall deal with them as per their contracts.
Girifotera Kameme TV, Rotorokoni wa Jiru wa Foro.